Hi guys, I'm real excited. You know why? Because today is the first day of me putting together a video. The video series I said was gonna be coming. Don't do that. So I've been trying to figure out if I should just do electrical faux pas, or if I should do just in general like construction things. I think I'm gonna do a little mix of both. So the first episode is coming up and I hope you like it. If you have any other suggestions or questions, please leave them down below. And like and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and tell your friends. You could also buy me a coffee. I'm not opposed to that. Have a good day. So here's the first tip I'm going to give you guys. When installing these T8 ballasts, which happens a lot, you're replacing it in a fluorescent fixture. Actually, I recommend you just go LED, but if you're not going to do that, then when replacing it, be sure to pay attention if it's 120 to 277 volts. Why? Because if you're installing it like in a hospital or something like that, and you connect it to the 120 volt wires, then you'll hear a boop. It's not good. I dare say it's rather scary. So don't just assume that the last one you installed is going to be just the same as this one. Pay attention to your wiring diagrams. That's my advice to avoid a shocking situation. Second tip, these ballasts are a lot smaller than the original ones that were in these dinosaur fluorescent fixtures. So you want to make sure you tuck it in nicely into one of those clips. And then on the other end, you're going to use a self-tapping screw to make sure it's secure up there. Because you don't want somebody to try to change the bulb and get conked in the head with a ballast. It's just not fun. All right, don't do that. Number 3 for today would be, don't cut the wires so stinking short that they're making contact with the metal box. You see what happened here, guys? It obviously got fried big time and made a big smudge mark and big boop. Once again, breaker tripped in this outdoor GFI weatherproof box, which I questioned how weatherproof it was. Yeah. So sadly, even with the new GFI and the wires extended, which I did very carefully and made up those joints, there's still that burn mark. I tried to wipe it off. I promise I did. But yeah, I guess that's there to be a reminder for us all. Okay, this is really just kind of funny. I took this picture when I was visiting family in Cuba. I didn't even know receptacles like this existed anymore. There's absolutely no place for a ground, but somehow they still try to make this modern plug work with this super ancient 1900 fixture. Don't do that. Need I say more? It's like the wires are exposed. Anybody in a hurry not looking is going to really get zapped. It's not going to be fun for them. And especially in places like this where it's like fuses, it won't trip fast enough. If it's a child, goodness gracious, you know, it could be really tragic. So obviously, don't do that. All right, here's the last one for the day. It may not be so obvious. I took the screws out so you can see the real meltdown that happened in this receptacle. So if you're replacing your own plugs, receptacles, great. Just make sure that you wrap that wire tight and you screw it down super tight. Because over time, as the wire heats up, cools down, heats up, cools down, it's expanding, contracting, and the connection will get weak. So then you'll have this problem where it was trying to make contact and basically melted the plastic of the receptacle. So it's something unfortunate. This homeowner was like, why isn't this plug working? And that was why. Basically it was on the verge of catching fire. So better that it stopped working, but even better yet, a tight connection from the start. All right, guys, thanks for paying attention and doing well in class today. No homework. Go and try it yourself and be safe. Any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. And like, subscribe, recommend to your friends. And yeah, I'll see you next time.